All right, just to show you guys that I am not perfect, never claimed to be. This is the counter shaft. The guy wants to put that in before he puts the lower drive shaft in. I did get it in without pulling the shaft back out. Pull the nut back off, pull everything off, pull the shift rail out. It will let this shaft drop down far enough so that I can get it in there. But realistically, it should have been put in before I put the bottom shaft in. Although it's a lot harder to work around it, you can do it without doing that. So, not perfect, but I got it. We'll move on from here. 7520. We've got the transmission all back together. Differentials back in it. Axles, both axles are on, torque down. It is ready to mate back up with the rest of the tractor. Throw the rest of it. It's pretty self-explanatory from here out. Just bolting everything up. Really got to be careful when you pull it together, because you have these roller bearings here that actually have to go around these. How they fit on them. This has got a cone that slides up over it. But as you can see, there's a little bit of play. So they had play in them. So it's something that it's going to take a little bit of finessing to do to get them to line up right.